Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stake Solana for passive income. Now, there are 3 different ways that you can do this, and I'm going to be showing you all of them today. Now, if you haven't already gotten yourself set up with a Phantom wallet, I'll show you how to do that now. But if you have, you can skip past this bit and get right into the video. So the first thing that you'll need to do to get set up is head over to phantom.app and download the wallet there. Once you've downloaded it, you should be able to create a new wallet. And when you do this, you'll be given a seed phrase. That seed phrase allows anyone to be able to restore that wallet elsewhere. It's basically the key to get into your crypto wallet. So write that down somewhere. If you lose it, you won't be able to get your funds back. So once you've got that up and running, it should look something like this. And the next step is to get some Solana into your wallet. And that Solana is going to pay for your transactions on the Solana blockchain. So you're going to need to go to whatever exchange that you have that offers Solana. For today's video, I'm on Bitstamp. It's quite a reliable exchange. Once you've done that, we need to withdraw this SOL into your Phantom wallet. So I went to the withdrawal tab on Bitstamp, went to crypto withdrawal, and then we're going to type in Solana here. Press continue. And so we need to find our Phantom address in order to send that SOL to. So I'll click on the Phantom app, go up here and then click this button here, and that will copy our Solana address there, paste it in here, and then send all of the SOL available into that wallet. The first way I'm going to show you is that you can go to your Phantom wallet directly, click on SOL, and then go over to here where it says stake. Now it might say something else on your screen, but for me it says your stake here and 1 account. So you can click on this and then we'll click here, and this is the screen that it should show you. Now here you can choose what one of the validators to stake with. So I'll just click the stop on here, and then you can put an amount of SOL you want to stake with them. So I'll just do 0.03 here. This isn't my favorite way to stake SOL because I believe there are more efficient ways to do it, but this is just one simple way that you can do it. I can press stake here, and then you'll see in a second why I don't particularly favor staking SOL this way. So here you go. It says SOL staked. Your SOL will begin earning rewards in the next couple days once the stake account becomes active. So this is part of the reason why I don't like staking SOL this way, because you don't instantly start earning rewards. Additionally, if you want to unstake, it takes 3 days to unstake as well. But I thought I'd show you this method anyway. The second way is to go to a liquid staking website like Solblaze. You can go to Finance or Jito. So I'm going to Solblaze. So you can stake your Solana with Solblaze, and in return you get BSOL. Now BSOL is a liquid staking derivative. So effectively it reflects the value of your stake Solana as well as the liquid staking rewards as well. So the value of BSOL isn't going to be 1-to-1 with Solana. So I want to stake 5 SOL here, and in return I'll receive 4.52 BSOL in return. So like I said, it reflects the value of SOL as well as the accumulated staking rewards. So as you can see here, 1 BSOL is worth roughly 1.1 SOL. So I go to this website, I can connect my wallet and type in the amount of SOL I want to stake. So I'll just do 5 for the purposes of this video, and I can press stake. And then I'll sign this transaction here, and it should be quite quick because, you know, it's Solana. So press confirm here, and then I will receive 4.521 BSOL in my wallet. So there we go. Blaze stake Solana. I have 4.5. And the third way of staking your Solana is just by buying a liquid staking derivative token. So you can go to somewhere like Jupiter Aggregator. I'll connect my wallet here, and then I can swap this SOL into more BSOL or Jito SOL or Marinade Stake Solana. I'll just do it into Jito SOL for now. I can put 5 SOL into this, and this works the same as effectively going to the Jito SOL website and then staking with them directly. Instead, you can just buy the Jito SOL token like that, and you'll automatically be staking and you'll automatically be earning the staking rewards. So I can just press swap here and swap my SOL into Jito SOL, and there you go. The transaction has confirmed, And if I just refresh my wallet here, we can see that I have 4.6 Jito stake Sol in my wallet. Now, if I wanted to unstake, all I'd need to do is just trade out of this Jito Sol here for my Sol back. Press confirm. And yeah, it's just as easy as that to unstake your Sol. I could also unstake my B-Sol as well just by swapping back into Solana if I wanted to. One of the advantages to having this liquid staking derivative token, this B-Sol or this Jito Sol, is that you can take it and then use it as collateral in DeFi to earn even more yield. So on my Sol that I staked with Solblaze, I'm earning 8.65% APY, but I can take it to somewhere like Marginfi and then deposit it here and then earn an additional 2.24% APY on that B-Sol. Now, this is something that you want to consider if you want to get additional yield, but you have to keep in mind the risks. So of course, Marginfi could get hacked and then you could lose all of your B-Sol. So just be aware of that. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.